ultrasound study of a 41-year-old male. We are seeing the spleen, and this is the left kidney. In this view, what you are seeing is the upper pole. This is the upper pole of the left kidney. This is the mid region of the left kidney. The capsule is intact. Corticomedullary differentiation is intact in this region, and the central sinus echo-complex is seen normal. At the lower end of this kidney, we see a cystic area with internal calcifications. This is the cystic area, measuring approximately 5.5 into 4.6 centimeter, and in this you can see that there are multiple calcifications, and few of them are giving posterior shadow. That's magnified. And on magnification again we see the same. The parenchyma in this region is preserved. This is the parenchyma, and here starts a cyst, complicated cyst. Now this can be a case of focal pyelonephritis, or a cyst with internal calcification. This requires further investigation. Patient is asymptomatic, otherwise, except having pain in this region, dull pain. Here we are. You can see multiple calcifications within this area, within this dependent region, as well as few septa. This is a septa within it, few echoes also. So the possibility of this being a case of focal pyelonephritis and or a cyst with internal echoes cannot be ruled out. Thank you very much.